Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the difference between a straight brush and a curved brush. So if you happen to have any questions, please comment down below and watch the full video. Now, if I was talking way too fast for you, smash that subscribe button. What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. So before we get into this video, smash that like button so we can help the YouTube algorithm. And comment down below what kind of brush do you use. Do you use a curved brush or do you use a straight brush? And as you already know, we're on our way to 200K, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Alright, so before we get into this video, I got some news. Alright, not really big news, but I've been wolfing for 8 weeks. In 2 weeks, it's gonna make it 10 weeks. I was going to get my haircut on the 30th, but I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna get my haircut on the 29th of December, okay? But I don't think I'm gonna cut down the wolf. I'm just gonna get a taper and then keep working on my wolf because I got a couple of forks that I want to break and I still want to work on my crown. I will not be cutting off the wolf on the 29th of December. I will be cutting it down the week after, which is January 8th, I believe. And that's either the week after or a week and a half after. So I'm gonna keep wolfing to about 11 and a half weeks, keep working on my crown, and work on breaking the forks that I have before I cut off the wolf. So instead of a 10 weeks wolf, it's gonna be an 11 weeks wolf, which I really need for me to keep progressing. But let's get right into this video. The reason you clicked on this video, the difference between a straight brush and a curved brush. So with the curved brush, I didn't start using curved brushes until probably about 2 years ago into my wave career. It was a lot of hype. When I was in high school, I started off with a straight brush. I used to use them royalties, straight brushes from the beauty supply store, you know, stuff like that. Them Torino straight brushes with the handles. Those are the brushes I used to use. The Annies with the handles, softies, all of that. I didn't start using curved brushes until like my 3rd year of waving, and it was, you know, the CQPs, the Crown Quality Product brushes. Those came out. And I decided, you know, let's give it a try. It was like $20. That was a lot of money back then, cause I ain't used to buying no $20 brushes. Before I bought my first royalty brush, actually my first royalty straight brush, I actually saved up a whole week just so I could get $17 so I could get that junk. But now, you feel me, I'm blessed enough to where I could afford a brush like this. And that's why I like giving back, doing giveaways for you guys. I actually have a giveaway on the 25th of December, the last day of WAVEMAS. Y'all go check that out on my Instagram for a chance to enter. I like curved brushes because I like using the tip for my crown. When I use curved brushes, the tip really just helps my crown a lot better than a straight brush would. So a curved brush, this is for my crown, and the curved part fits this part of my head perfectly. So when I'm brushing, it fits perfectly, fits perfectly. It just fits the side of my head, all the corners of my head very perfectly, and that's why I really like straight brushes. That's why I transitioned to straight brushes. But when it comes to breaking forks, this is why the curve. Wait, I don't know what I just said, but that's why I transitioned to curve brushes, because they fit all of the corners of my head perfectly. They just fit perfectly. It's like it was made for my head. But when it comes to breaking forks, this brush is really not for that. Unless you're brushing your angles precisely every single day, you will not get forks. But once you do get forks, when it comes to breaking forks, this brush is really, you know, not the brush that you want to use 100% of the time if you want to break forks. The straight brushes, I like the straight brushes because when it comes to breaking forks, I vertical brush, because y'all know I like vertical brushing a lot. That's how you break forks. I tell you guys, when you vertical brush, it pulls your waves into place. This is what the straight brush is for. When you use a straight brush, you break forks a lot better when you vertical brush. When you get to, it's just, the only thing a straight brush can't do is fit the corners of your head perfectly. But when it comes to your crown, you use this tip right here for your crown. When it comes to getting waves, it has great pull. When it comes to breaking forks, vertical brush. So that's basically what I know about the straight brush. So the difference between these two, when it comes to breaking forks, this is the brush that you want to use. A straight brush, it don't matter if it has a handle or not. The straight brush will help you break forks just by vertical brushing. Alright, when it comes to overall everything besides breaking fork, this curved brush will do just fine. But I feel like these two brushes are equally perfect. You feel me? The only thing that this lacks is it doesn't fit your hair perfectly, and the only thing that this lacks is it doesn't break forks as effectively as a straight brush would. If you have both brushes, that's a great combination right there. I'm not gonna put any of the brushes down. Both of them work perfectly to get waves, and I would highly suggest that you get a straight brush and a curved brush. You guys can get this curved brush at 26kingwavymerch.com. Link is down in my description. You can use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off your 26king merch. And also this hoodie and this do-rag is by 26kingwavy. I don't know if y'all can see it, but big 26 gang, you feel me? Yeah, y'all go cop those. Use my discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. But yeah, y'all, this basically all the difference there is about curved brushes and straight brushes. Nothing too, you know, out of reach. They're basically close to each other, right there with each other. I know it's not gonna be like a 10-minute video like you guys like watching, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this video was helpful, and I'm sorry I couldn't make this video a little longer. There's really nothing else to talk about unless I just start chatting about nonsense, but I ain't gonna do that because I'm gonna lose a lot of y'all. But if you guys not already subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Road to 20K. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.